So this will send a signal to our damn owners, to our clueless fucking owners, that they should go and bring experienced players. They should balance the squad. Chelsea is not a mid-table team. Chelsea is a competitive team. Chelsea is title-winning team. Chelsea is not Brighton. We are not buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. That is not Chelsea. Chelsea is not a market. Chelsea is a football club. Chelsea is not in the stock market. So guys, I'm very happy that this guard of honor is going to happen in Stamford Bridge. And it will even tell Maresca also that you don't need 5 seasons or 10 seasons to win a Premier League. No, it's not a guarantee that when you wait 5 seasons, 10 seasons to come, you are winning. And it's not. His first season in the Premier League, he's winning the league. He won the league. Sorry, not even winning. He won the league. Hi guys, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's say congratulations to Liverpool for winning the league. Yes. Now the league has been declared for them. Liverpool won their 20th Premier League. Yes. So guys, what does it mean for Chelsea? This current Chelsea. This Enzo Maresa Chelsea. By the way, Liverpool winning this league, Chelsea will give them guard of honor on Sunday in Stamford Bridge. Chelsea will give them guard of honor on Sunday in Stamford Bridge, our game against them, 3:30 Ghanaian time. Yes. And as a fan, I will not like this to happen, or I'm not happy this will happen. As a football fan and as a Chelsea fan, I'm not happy. Chelsea giving them a guard of honor after winning a league. No. It should not be Chelsea. It should be like Arsenal or Manchester United and co, because they are bottlers, not Chelsea. So guys, this guard of honor thing, as I already said, as a fan, I'm not happy. But this our squad, for me, I think is good for them. Yes. And also Enzo Maresa. Yes. And also our owners. I'm very happy this thing is to happen in Stamford Bridge. Because so far, so bad, when it comes to winning mentality around Chelsea, it has vanished completely. From the owners to Enzo Maresa. Enzo Maresa install it into our players' brain. So, winning mentality is no more in Chelsea, except we the fans. We only want Chelsea to win. Our owners don't care. Maresa is waiting for 5 years, 10 years to come. The players are young, inexperienced. So, I'm very happy this thing is to happen in Stamford Bridge. At least, see, if this our owners and Enzo Maresa, they are people who feel shame, or let me say positive jealous, not being jealous of Liverpool winning, positive jealous. Okay, if Liverpool can do it, why show that Chelsea we cannot also do it? Why show that Chelsea we can't do it? Yes, if our owners see this, I know, they will see it. Especially, it is about to happen in Stamford Bridge. Yes, and for Maresca there, his physical eye, his naked eyes, and the players also their naked eyes. So, this will be a brainstorming, or a brain disturbing, yes, a brain thinking to Enzo Maresa and the players and the owners. I'm telling you how good it is to win a trophy. How marvelous, fantastic, joyful, happiness is good to win a trophy. I'm telling you. Everybody will see. We the fans will see. Yes. Whether we like it or not, we will clap. Because it's not easy. It's not easy unless you do the right thing. So for me, guys, I think, first of all, the players will learn from this. The players will add this to their experience. Yes, then if this is how it is good to be a winner, someone giving you honor, then next season, we have to fight. We have to fight for our life. And it will even tell Maresa also that you don't need 5 seasons or 10 seasons to win a Premier League. No, it's not a guarantee that when you wait 5 seasons, 10 seasons to come, you are winning. And it's not. His first season in the Premier League, he's winning the league. He won the league. Sorry, not even winning. He won the league. Now he's a Premier League winning manager. His first season. And he's not the first person. Jose Mourinho, Conte, yes, Ancelotti. So it is never a new thing, or it is something that can happen as a manager. Your first season, you can win the league, as Enzo Maresa was thinking when the season started. No. So guys, first of all, the guard of honor about to happen in Stamford Bridge, it will be good for Enzo Maresa to know that you don't need 5 seasons or 10 seasons to win a league. He will learn from that, and our players also will learn from this, added to their experience that, okay, if it is good to win a trophy or Premier League, then next season we have to fight. And let's come to Enzo Maresa. Yes, Liverpool winning the league. In fact, guys, yes, someone may say that Liverpool, they had senior players, experienced players, yes, good squad. That is why Arne Slot used them and won the league at the end. Yes, I may not agree, but I will not 100% agree. No. Because not everybody can have, or not every manager can have this kind of players Liverpool they have. Yes, and at the end go and win the league. Not every manager. So we can't take the credit away from their manager. I'm telling you. And nowadays, football is all about the tactics, your manager mentality, how your coach, your manager approach games. Yes, and your owner spending, yes, not spending anyhow, buying the right players, buying players who are winners. Look at Salah. Salah alone is a winner in that team. Look at Van Dijk. Yes, senior players there. So sometimes the manager tactics is also, not even sometimes, all the time, your manager tactics is also very, very crucial and important. When your manager have your best player in the bench and expect you to win, you can't win. How can you win? Football, see, not every player can play for Chelsea. Teams, you see teams like Chelsea, Liverpool, Manchester United, those big teams, Arsenal and Real Madrid. Not every player can play for those teams. Those teams are winners team, competitive team. So if you go and bring your young players expecting them to grow, in which other team already went and signed proven players, already made players, how can you compete? No, see, I keep on saying it here. God is not Liverpool fan. God is not Chelsea fan. God is not Real Madrid fan. God is God. God is general God. God help those who help themselves. If you are not doing the right thing, don't expect anything good coming. I'm telling you. See, if you continue to do one thing and expecting different results, that is the definition of insanity. Doing same thing, expecting different results. It can't happen. It can't happen. So this will send a signal, a clue to Enzo Maresa that next season, if Chelsea can win the league, we can win the league. Next season, if Chelsea, we must compete for the league title. Next season, Chelsea can win the league. Not we are being on top or 1 point being on top. You are telling the world, the fans, the football players that they can't win the league. No. This is low mentality. This is small team coach manager mentality. Not a big team like Chelsea. And our owners. See, Todd Bowley, Eric Bailly, the consortium, Bluco. Please learn from winners. Go and see all the winners in this world. They don't pack their team with young, inexperienced players. I'm telling you. Yes, Maresa had big problems. Yes, when it comes to his team selections, that inverted thing, sometimes it's not working. Change it, remove it. It's not working. Maresa, he also has something to be blamed. Nobody can remove. But I'm telling you, modern football, 70% of your team success now in the hands of the owners. See, modern football, for your team to succeed, 70% of your success is in the hands of the owners. I'm telling you. Chelsea was there before Abramovich bought Chelsea, but Chelsea was not a competitive team. Yes, before Chelsea won some trophies. I think Super Cup at that time it was different. But compare, or we can't just compare when Abramovich bought Chelsea to the Chelsea. Yes, that before. Yes, Abramovich bought Chelsea. He signed experienced players, proven manager, proven players, and then they came and turned Chelsea into a big club, competitive club. See, AC Milan, they have Champions League more than, my respect to them, Champions League more than Liverpool. Liverpool, the highest Champions League holders in the English Premier League. But look at them now. Yes, they are no more competing like Liverpool, Chelsea, Arsenal, and co. When you go to Ajax, Netherlands, they have Champions League more than Liverpool, more than Chelsea, more than Manchester United. But they are no more competing. It's about those operating the system, those operating the club at that time, at that period. If the owners are not buying or operating the team in a way it should compete, it can't compete. No team is a big club. In my books, no team, we don't have a big club in this world. A big club is a club whose owners are ready to turn that club into a competitive club. Recently, nobody can say that Newcastle is a small club. Nobody. but because of what? Their owners, the way they are now doing the sign. Recently, they won a Carabao Cup over the years. Yes, before they won a trophy, this season they won a cup. So there's not a big club in my books. A big club is a club whose owners are ready to make changes, to do the right signing, to bring players who can compete, to bring a manager who had the experience to compete. So this will send a signal to our damn owners, to our clueless fucking owners, that they should go and bring experienced players. They should balance the squad. Chelsea is not a mid-table team. Chelsea is a competitive team. Chelsea is title-winning team. Chelsea is not Brighton. We are not buying, selling. That is not Chelsea. Chelsea is not a market. Chelsea is a football club. Chelsea is not in the stock market. So guys, I'm very happy that this guard of honor is going to happen in Stamford Bridge. It will, see, this will speak a lot. See, Chelsea fans, we have to be happy. God is about to come to our aid. God is about to save us. See, all sort of signals are sending to this our owners, but they refuse. Last season, they refused to sign a striker. This season, we saw it. Chelsea could not win certain games because we didn't have a clinical striker who just finished up our chances. We created this season. Look at the number of chances Chelsea created. I think we are the second on the league, Premier League. But now we are struggling to get top 4. So this all signals are sending to this our owners that they must balance the squad. But they have hard ears. They don't listen, but they will listen. If they will not listen, they should sell the club and go. No. That means they can't handle Chelsea as a big club. They should go. Guys, and I can also tell you that Chelsea is not winning the league this season. It is because of our inexperienced Enzo Maresa. Yes, I'm telling you. We were having all the 100% opportunity. Everything was in favor of Chelsea to compete for the league title this season. When the season began, everything was working very well. All departments, you could see that the left wing, 2 or 3 players, right wing, 2 or 3 players. There were competition. I'm telling you, if so and so player don't perform this game, the next game is not starting. If so and so player didn't perform this game, the next game is not. The guys, they were playing for their best, giving their all. Just we were winning games. Yes, when the season started, we were to some extent. I think he left 1 point for us to lead the table. But Enzo Maresa came out and said that we are not in the title race. Enzo Maresa, your Enzo Maresa, my Enzo Maresa, our Enzo Maresa, the Enzo Maresa every Chelsea fans love and cherish, came out and said that we are not in the title race. For me, I think I also supported. I won't lie. I have videos for that. I won't lie. But my thinking was that it was a trick to ease pressure from our young players for them to continue to perform without any pressure. That was my thinking. So I was supporting that Enzo Maresa clueless agenda. We are not in it. Not knowing that this man mean it. The day that I realized that this man is really serious with this way. That day he said that the owners didn't tell him to compete for the top 4. The owners didn't tell him to compete for the league title. I said, no. I said, no. This man, he means his word. He is saying this from his heart and not from his mouth. I'm telling you guys. So that day I said, no. So even if owners tell you what and what, that shit was, I will not say it again, what and what. So you as a manager, you don't want something good for your CV. Even if you not win something for we the fans, but you as a young manager, you don't want something for your CV. And it's not first season in the Premier League. He won the Premier League. Is it not good in his CV? It's big achievement for him. Even if he played the rest of his season in the Premier League and don't win the Premier League again, okay, he's good to go. I'm telling you, he's good to go. Yes. And you, Enzo Maresa, what is the guarantee that you will even win the Premier League? Because you having the chance to win it, you told the world that you are not in the title race. You can't compete. What is the guarantee? For Ancelotti, he saw his own. He achieved his own now. You, as a young manager, what showed that in the future you can even win a trophy? Let's hope this conference will win it, because just participating in conference league at the end, if we don't win it, it's a big shame. So for me, that is why I want us to win it. Not that we need it. It's just a minor trophy. That is not where we should be. So let's win it so that Enzo Maresa get his first trophy as a manager. So guys, you see what I'm talking about. So this guard of honor and the winning experience, the winning mentality that vanished from Yes, Stamford Bridge. Yes, Chelsea promises it will come back. It will come back. I'm telling you. These owners, whether they like it or not, they have to come to understanding that Chelsea is a big team. Because this young project they are doing, it will take time. And Chelsea is not take time team. Look at all the big trophy that we won. Not take time that we use and won it. 4 months, 3 months, 1 season, we won and go. That is how we know Chelsea. That is our culture. That is our tradition. Not someone coming to build a team for 5 years. In which even in the foundation process, when they are laying the foundation, it keep on falling. When they lay, it keep on. We tell you, guys, take your time and lay the foundation. Before you can lay the foundation, that will stand fit and firmly. Do this, buy this player and buy this player, buy this player. They refuse. They told us that we can't find a striker in grocery stores. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Liverpool won the league, what it will bring to this our young team. Yes, Chelsea Football Club. Let me hear from you under the comment section, and please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.